Good morning. It's Tuesday, April 4th, 2023. And it's about 10 minutes before I go pick up Isabela for her first lesson. She's a private. She's just taken a few lessons before her road test. I'm not sure if she's taken the G1 exit or the G2 exit yet. I'll see when I meet her. So here we go. Hi, Isabela. Come on in the passenger seat there for now. Just for a few minutes so I can go through the car with you. How are you?
Good, how are you?
Good. So my name's Rob.
Nice to meet you.
And do you have your license on you?
Yes, I do.
Okay, no problem. So you don't have to put your seatbelt on. We'll be switching over here. I'm just gonna.
Oh, that's okay.
So, how much driving experience do you have?
2-3 years around that.
Okay, right on.
I came with my license from Brazil.
Yeah.
And I'm getting my license here, so I already have my G1, and I am going for the G test.
You're going for the full G?
Yeah, for the full G.
Okay, that's what I wanted to find out.
Yeah.
Okay, good. So it's going to be really easy. Essentially, they don't get you to do the majority of the slow speed maneuvers, like they don't get you to do parallel parking or 3-point turns, roadside stop. They've stopped doing any of that. So basically now it's just taking you out on the highway, doing the roundabout out there. I'm going to take you on the actual route that they take you on.
Okay.
So you'll get familiar with it. When's your road test?
That's good. It's tomorrow.
It's tomorrow.
Yeah.
Right after our next lesson.
Right after our next lesson, yes.
Okay. And you're not taking this car, right?
No,
Okay.
I am not.
Okay. What kind of car are you taking?
Not sure because we're renting. We don't have a car here just yet, so
Okay.
we're gonna pick it up today at 4.
You're going to try to get like a sedan?
Yeah.
Like similar size? Okay.
Probably,
Awesome.
because I really dislike the smaller ones or even the taller ones. You
Yeah.
know, it's just
I mean, it doesn't really matter what you
yeah. But sometimes it's
pickup truck.
different. You know, yeah, exactly. But yeah,
Good. And like, I mean, it's more important the type of vehicle that you take. It's more important for when you're going for the G1 exit.
oh yeah, because then it's the parallel parking and all
Yeah.
that. You know, that you have to kind of
Show you little markers.
yeah.
Okay. Did you take a driving course or like?
In Brazil,
Brazil,
yes,
yeah.
we had to do that. We have to do it for like
Yeah.
a month, and then we take the road test as well. So
Oh, that's
yeah.
cool. And you drive on the same side of the road over there?
Yes, we do.
Okay.
It's basically the same.
Okay.
It's just that my mom took the G, and for a few things she didn't pass. So my dad was like, maybe it's good if you take a few lessons before you actually
Yeah.
go to your test, you know, because then you are more used to it. You know
good
what
advice.
you're gonna have to do, and you know that's it.
Ontario, out of the 10 provinces here in Canada, Ontario's the strictest for getting people's licenses. So.
Yep.